I worry that if the ANC falls below 50%, they're able to just simply form a coalition with the EFF. And I think that would be what I called doomsday for South Africa.
Umholi okhethwe ngobutsha we-DA uJohn Steenhuisen uthi bazabe bafese bodwa abantu abahlagayo i-ANC ne-EFF nazingabusa ngokuhlanganyela ngemva kwekhetho langomnyaka ozayo.
The ACC agreed to contest elections with an effective and reconfigured alliance as our preferred modality, at our posture towards the 2024 elections and beyond.
I-SACPT yokungenela ikhetho ngokwetshebiswano elitsha ne-ANC ngenxa yokuthi kunezinto ezithwenyako.
Congratulations to the players, congratulations to the technical staff and to everybody involved at the football club, the supporters also.
Mamelodi Sundowns iya emidlalweni wayo ne-Cape Town City kusasa iguge imfuba ngombana seyazi ukuthi izinkutana ze-DStv Premiership. Siyanamukela endabeni zesiNdebele lapha ku-SABC 1 na ku-DTT akwande sitshaba senkosi. Umvikeli womphakathi ojanyisiweko uadvocate Busiwe Mkhwebane uphakamisa bona iParliament ibhadele amagqwetha wakhe. Umkhwebane utshele ikomiti ye-section 194 emphenya bona ukulungele ukuphatha nofana njani na bona angekho asahona ukwethula ubufakazi bakhe kule komiti ngombana akanawo amagqwetha. Kwakateleleka bona kuthuliswe ukulalelwa kobufakazi namhlanje ukuthi amalunga wekomiti ayokuhlangana awodwa.
Namhlanje akhange kuragele phambili ukulalelwa kobufakazi bomvikeli womphakathi uadvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane. Lokhu kulandela isimemezelo esenziwe iofisi yomvikeli womphakathi sokuthi ayisekho imali yokubhadela indleko zomthetho zikaMkhwebane.
Parliament is also spending a lot of resources to pay the very same evidence leaders. They are not public servants. You are paying them. And I think there was a question from Honorable Sukres about the resources paid to my legal team. They are also paid from the fiscus. We should also be declared and everyone must know how much they are paid. And wherever they get, you get the resources for them, get the resources for me so that this process can be finished.
Sihlalo wekomiti le uthi kufanele kutholwe isombululo somraro lokubhadela amagqwetha kaMkhwebane ngokurhabako.
There's urgent and serious work that is, as we sit here now, that is underway to follow up and make true the commitment that we made on Friday, that we don't want this inquiry to stop in the middle.
Mkhulu we-UDM uBantu Holomisa uthi ikomiti lekuzokufanele ijame kancane ukwenzela bona umvikeli womphakathi ojanyisiweko kunye neParliament bararulule indaba zokubhadela kwamagqwetha akhe. Ngelesihlanu seveke epheleleko uMkhwebane nesiqhema sakhe baveze bona uphelile umsebenzi wabo ebe udoswa phambili ngo-advocate Dali Mpofu.
Imiphakathi ehlaka kwenarheni le isazokubhalelwa ukuya phambili nange-EFF ne-ANC zingabusa ngokuhlanganyela ngemva kwamakhetha kawoke ka-2024. Kutsho umengameli we-DA uSteenhuisen nabekakhuluma nehlelo lendaba i-Morning Live namhlanje kuseni.
Umholi we-DA uJohn Steenhuisen uthi ngemva kweconference yangempela veke yokukhethwa kobuholo obutsha behlangano le unethemba lokuthi i-DA izokuthumba i-ANC ngamavota ngaphezu kwe-50% emakhethweni womnyaka ozako.
By the time the 2024 election rolls around, given load shedding, given the poverty and hunger, given the inflation crisis in South Africa, given the rising cost of living, I think more and more South Africans are going to walk away from the ANC and start looking at other parties.
I-DA ithi inethemba lokuthi ngokubambisana nenhlangano ezinye eziphikisako bangakhona ukusebenzisana ekubuseni ngokuhlanganyela ngemva kwamakhetho kawoke womnyaka ozako. Uthi nange i-ANC ingabusa ngokuhlanganyela ne-EFF umnotho wenarha le uzokulimala ukuya phambili begodwa izenzelwa zomphakathi angeze zafika esitshabeni okutsho ukuthi abantu abathembele kuhulumende basazokuhlaga ukuya phambili. uSteenhuisen ubuvikele obuholo bakhe obutsha obukhethiweko ngemva kokuthi ahlatshwe ngonobangela ukuthi abahola abatsha abaningi ehlanganeni nakhe madoda amakhuwa wathi batsho ihlangano le ngiyawo wonke umuntu.
32% of the DA support comes from black South Africans, 31% of it from coloured South Africans, 7% from Indian South Africans, and 30% from white South Africans. It is by far the most diverse support base, which shows that the DA is making inroads across all communities in South Africa.
Njengomana ihlangano lezokuragela phambili nokulungiselela amakhetho womnyaka ozayo nje ijamile emagameni ayo ukuthi izokuthumba i-ANC ngamavoti angaphezulu.
I-South African Communist Party ikhombele uhulumende bona ahoxe msinyana ekhotho yobulelesi bamazwe ngamazwe. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuthi ikhotho le ikhuphe incwadi yokubopha umengameli weRussia uVladimir Putin. Konke lokhu kuvele emhlanganweni wekomiti ekulu ye-SACP obanjwe ngempela veke ukuqalisisa ubujamo bezinto enarheni le.
SACP ithi ayibuyele emva ifuna bona umengameli weRussia uVladimir Putin akhambele umhlangano wamazwe angaphasi kweBRICS ozokubanjelwa ePitori ngenyanga kaRhoboyi ngaphandle kokuthuselwa. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuthi ikhotho yezobulelesi emazweni ngamazwe ithe ifuna ukumbopha ngensolo zamacala weperagako eUkraine.
They want to disrupt a proper convening of the BRICS summit in this country. Not much about President Putin. They are fearing what BRICS is becoming, an alternative of this new multipolar world emerging against the unipolar world imposition by the United States and its friends in Europe.
Amakhomanisi afuna bona iSouth Africa iphume ngorhabako ukuba lilunga lekhotho yezobulelesi emazweni ngamazwe.
We are accusing the ICC of double standards and selective justice. That's our position. And when he mentions this, a number of countries, even on your own research, where are the weapons of mass destruction which they were looking for in the Middle East? None after they've destroyed that particular country.
I-SACP isoyekile ngokwenyuka kwamvanje kwemali ezalela emalini ezibolekwe embhanka i-repo rate. Umabayila uthi lokhu kulimaza kumba abasebenzi njengombana kuyawa ekhethweni ngomnyaka ozayo. Amakhomanisi avumelana ngalizwilinye lokuthi ihlanganisela yabo ne-ANC nekhosati kuzokufanele ihlelwe ngobutsha.
The ACC agreed to contest elections with an effective and reconfigured alliance as our preferred modality, as our posture towards the 2024 elections and beyond.
SACP Paule nangencwadi etlolwe ngumengameli walokhu uThabo Mbeki lapha atlolele khona isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile ahlabi ANC ngendlela isingethe ngayo indaba kaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngeplaza yakhe phalaphala. Ihlangano le ithi sahlelo yokubonana noMbeki njengombana ikholelwe ekutheni ezinye inlilo zayo ziyezwakala.
We also believe that President Mbeki has raised important issues in his letter, and that the issues that he has raised should not be dismissed.
Nakusenjalo ihlangano le ithi ngeveke ezako ngoMvulo ihlela ukubamba umbuthano wesikhumbuzo seminyaka emachumi amathathu kwabulawa umholi wabo uChrisane.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibawe umbono wakho nge-SACP nayithi ifuna ukungenela amakhetho womnyaka ozayo ngechebiswano lokuzijamela ngombana ayikhambisani nokhunyo okwenziwa yi-ANC. Asiqalisane umbono wakho mbukeli uyalandela.
Kumele yenzeke kudala azimela amabombo ngoba sisikhathele lokusenziwa wona i-ANC mhlambi i-SACP ngeza noshintsho olungcono.
I-SACP kusesenzima kakhulu kusesekude ukuthi abantu bayijwayele. Yebo yona indala mara isuka yangena ngaphasi kwe-ANC abantu babona i-ANC ihlangano ebusayo yona bangayibona bayibona njengomkhelebhi we-ANC.
Akade basahlaleleni kanti sokusela ikhosakhe nje ziningi into ezenziwa ANC zingakalungi so yajabulisa ukuzwa lokho.
Hayi mayingene emsasazi, mayingene sizayivotela. Ayikho kaloku njengoba sihlala ebumnyameni kuphele neveki. Sibe sithi sicenge into engayindawo. Mayingene sizayisupport.
Ayiqali-ke njalo i-SACP ukuthi ikhulume kanje. Isikhathi esiningi emasekusondela ukhetho banakho ukuthi bazongenela ngokuyimela bephume kwi-ANC. Kuphinde futhi sibabone bebuyela. So lokho nje kimi ngithatha njengokuthi yiculo nje lemihla ngemihla.
I-SACP mayilungenele unyulo xa ifuna ngoba nayo inalo ilungelo lokuya kwenza ngolo hlobo ngoba umgaqo siseko libizwa utsho nawo.
Umbono ngeumbukeli iSABC ayizukuthesa umlando wokuziphelela ngombono wombukeli. Umeyara walokha nogade anguSpeaker weTshwane uDokotela Mrunwa Makwarela uchatshulwe ngebhayili yechumile nkulungwane zamaranda ekhotho yezamacala akhinyabeza umnotho ePitori. Umbuso akhange uphikisane nesibawo sakhe. Icala lithuliswe mhlazana amalanga amabili kumkhayile.
Udokotela Makwarela uvele kokuthoma ekhotho yamacala akhinyabeza umnotho ePitori. Kanti emhlolweni ofungelwe udokotela Makwarela khanga wavume woke amacala bekwe wona. Icala livulwe estation samapholisa eBrooklyn namhlanje kuseni ngaphambi kokuba nayo kuvele ekhotho.
Dr. Makwarela, how are you feeling this morning?
I'm blessed.
Udokotela Makwarela ungene ekhotho akhambela phezulu njengomana aqalene namacala nje. Amacala akhe asukela ngemva kokuthi yanikela idorobha leTshwane isitifiketi somgunyathi sokuhlanjululwa enkolodweni ngemva kokukhethwa njengomeyara. Icotha lakhe lithe kungekokuthoma abanecala yeke ibhayili akhange iphikiswe. Udokotela Makwarela uqalene namacala amabili wokukhwabanisa abalwa ngaphasi kweschedule 5. Lokthoma lisukela ekubhalelweni kwakhe ukuveza ubujamo bakhe bokuhagalelwa mtshono.
You are not a flight risk based on the fact that you stay within the jurisdiction of this court and that you are not a person that can be regarded as one that can jeopardize the proper administration of justice, including this bail system.
Kanhlangana nebasekhotho malunga wehlangano yakhe yalokha iCope. Udokotela Makwarela waphuma ehlanganweni lengela ngathokoza ngalomsebenzi njengomeyara weTshwane.
You will see justice prevail. As you have said, this is a serious offense which results in people having jobs that they are not due to them because of handing in over fraudulent certificates.
He has provided all the relevant and right information to the National Prosecuting Authority because he gave us the correct address. He confirmed to the court that he does not have any previous convictions.
Kanti uchatshululwa nje unikelwe imigomo eqinileko ekufanele ayilandele. Akukafanele bona aphume esifundeni esibegodu kufuza ngakhulumisana nabaphenya icaleli nabaphathi bedorobha leTshwane.
Nasibuya entolo.
Wow. Siyathokoza.
Ingwenyama yamaNdebele nesisekela likaNgqongqotjhe wezobugwali namasiko bembule amateksana afana phathi nalayo akhabe ambethwe ngubaba uMandela ejele. Ivele ekhotho namhlanje indoda eneminyaka ema-31 ubudala ngecala lokuzenza igcwetha ibe iyokujamela nomuntu ekhotho ukube kanti ayisilo igcwetha. Umsolwa uvele ekhotho kaMagistrata weBethal eMpumalanga. Ukuzwa imininingwane ngecaleli sikhulumisana noCaptain Dineo Sikgotodi usomkhulumi wamaHawks eMpumalanga. Siba ukunqabeza kancane ngalokho kanti sokubuya godu siragele phambili. Sekuphele inyanga ezibili ukufunda nokufundisisa kujamile eRinoko eBushbuckridge eMpumalanga. Izakhamuzi ziqineliseki ukuthola isizo lezempilo njengoba na kunomchagalo wesinqongoyilo somphakathi ofuna indlela ezazisako.
Akukhambeke endleleni D4395 ukufunda nokufundisa kuliyekile kuvalwe nomtholapilo wendawo le. Umphakathi walapho silingekileko khambe waphekelela incwadi yengingongoyilo zawo eminyango nezemsebenzi kahulumende wesifundesi.
We've got one clinic which services probably more than 7 communities there, and we've got 8 schools that there are different people from different places who are coming there. So a tar road will be very good, and that place is serving the community in more diverse ways.
Umnyango wezomsebenzi womphakathi indlela nezokuthutha uthuyazi ngalezi ntshijilo kodwa ukuvuselelwa komthangalasisekelo wendlela kuliwe zintshitshilo zesabelo mali.
Siltiko si awe ngalomgwaqo ukuthi unetinkinga lesingakusho ukuthi sidawuthumela lithimba lethu le road maintenance ukuthi liye kuyolungiswa lomgwaqo.
Isifundisi salele emva ngokuvuselela ngobutsha indlela ngemva kwentshitshilo ezibangela umonakalo wezulu lamhlapha.
Ivele ekhotho namhlanje indoda eneminyaka ama-31 ubudala ngenxa lokuzenza igqwetha ibe iyokujamela nomuntu ekhotho ukube kanti ayisilo igqwetha. Umsolwa uvele ekhotho kaMagistrata weBethal eMpumalanga. Ukuzwa imininingwane ngecaleli sikhulumisana noCaptain Dineo Sikgotodi, usomkhulumi wamaHawks eMpumalanga. Captain, siyakwamukela endabeni zesiNdebele. Kukhambe njani ukulalelwa kwecala namhlanje? Ingabe uyifumene ibail umsolwa?
Ngiyathokoza msakadi nabalaleli. Umsolwa angakayitholi ibail, yena uqala lakhe lihlehlisiwe mhla ka-12 April. The main reason ukuthi bahlehlisiwe licala ukuthi bafanele bafune ligcwetha bafune i-magistrate na prosecutor la bahlukene or labasha, because laba bebakhona ecourt namhla ngilaba aboshwe phambi kwabo. Then it won't be good ukuthi baqhubeke ba prosecute lecala lakhe, so they postponed the case ukuthi bathole i-magistrate lomusha na prosecutor lo batoqhubeka for bail application.
Kuthiwa umsolwa uneminyaka eminingi ajamela abantu ekhotho njengegqwetha. Kuyokwenzekani ngamacala akhe awajamela?
Siyenze isicelo kumphakathi ukuthi laba beba abayimela or laba abathathele imali or a pretender as a lawyer abayimela emakhoti la hlukene na other crime le aqhubeka ayicommita in the public bavele. Then we are busy obtaining the statement yalaba bavela ukuthi sikhona ukubona ukuthi uzochargewa ngalawo macala lawa ayenzile ajabela abantu imali ngendlela lengokomthethweni.
Captain, siyakuthokoza ngecozululo lakho. Loyo bekungumcozululi usomkhulumi wamaHawks eMpumalanga uCaptain Dineo Sikgotodi. Uma usakhamuzi semotse esifundisa abantwana bendawo le ngokuphepha ngemanzini ngokuzinikela ukuthi igadango alithomileko lingaveza abadudi abazingutani. uVenice Ditshego uthi ngaleli gadango ubinge nokuphungula izehlakalo zabantwana ababulawa mamanzi, kubika uThabo Mthweni.
Ngokusho kwe-National Sea Rescue Institute, pheze babalelwa ku-1,484 abantu abacwilayo qobe iminyaka lapha eSouth Africa. I-29% yabongazimbi bantwana abangaphasi kweminyaka eli-18 ubudala. Imutse iphezulu ikhonakalo yokuthi abantwana benkolo zamabanga aphasi bangacwila ngenxa yokuthi beqa emilambo nabaya enkolweni. Ababelethi bathabile ngesikolo sokududa esizokukhuthaza ukuphepha kwabantwana ngemanzini.
Sesingishushumbeditse ngakudu ke gore ke godile ke sa tsebe go ruta.
Aba sengiyajabula ukuthi kunesikolo lana sizovula.
Sibalethela ukuze bazosifundisa ukuphepha ngaphansi kwamanzi.
Bovamile bona kubiwe izehlakalo zokucwila emutse khulukhulu izulu nalinekhulu. Ukhahliso Phola weminyaka eli-18 ubudala namhlanje akasikhohlwa isehlakalo sokubukela umnganakhe athatha mamanzi.
Chobisa ka zethu sinonakala sinotiputsa ora wa ri no kera ka bona ro makala batho ba kera ka metsi ka bola ba re ba swiba abaswiba ba swima sebaka yana o mo wana wa bua o bo wana o la sa bua so rata be re ba kan o irala awara na 5 minutes nyana after 5 minutes ko na re thobo realize orawa mothu salawela ka montenero thomotso wa
izehlakalo lezi zenze umthothozeli womphakathi bona athomise isikolo sokududa bona abantwana bahlome ngamakhonofundwa ngokududa. Abafundi bakhe bazisisa ukuqhakatheka kokwazi ukududa.
Uthomulo umuntu akhona ukuswima especially mo baneng cause sometimes kuna le go ta dipula tse leng gore ga dire a re expect.
uDithego uthi ngejimeli uthemba bona uza kuchugulula indlela abantu abaqala ngakhona ukududa.
For me, I thought let us take it from
go in Pretoria, Joburg, wherever it is, and bring it back home at the villages, at the communities where people need it the most, because here there is no training of children where they can go to swimming lessons.
Isikolo lesi singabe siveza abadudu abaphambili abaza kupholisana nakumaphaliswano amakhulu ephasini zombelele. Kinguthabo Mthweni endabeni ze-SABC eDenelton eLimpopo.
Ingwenyama yamandebele uMakhosoke wesibili ngokubambisana nomnyango wezemidlalo ubugwali namasiko enarheni wembule amateksana afana nalaya ayegade ambethwe ngumengameli waphambilini weSouth Africa ihloko leya ubaba uNelson Mandela. Umnyango lo bewubanjelwe eNelson Mandela eSanctuary eHoughton eTlagweni yeJohannesburg izolo.
Lamateksana abizwa ngokuthi umgwalo Freedom Sneaker ambulele emnyanyeni oyithwaya mlando lapho bekunezinye intatanyiswa ezivela emahlongothini ahlukahlukeneko. Umhlobo wamateksana lo ufana bhatsi nalo ekhabe wembethe ngumengameli walokhu uNelson Mandela ejele kanti embule ngokusemthethweni. Ikhampani ebakhiqizi bawo iHightech iwakhupha inyakenye kuba nam athengiswe emphakathini. Umgwalo wesindebele ugogo Esther Mnguni ugwala amateksana la ngamasibe enkukhu. Ungqongqothe wezemidlalo ukhwari namasiko uNomacawe Mafu uthi amasiko eSouth Africa atshengisa raga nokuba namandla nanyana sekunetechnology nje.
When you look and consider the advancements in technology and innovation, our culture has prevailed and made headways throughout the continent and the world.
Amateksana la amhlobo amateksana okudlala umdlalo wetennis kanti undaba ezitha ubeyisekela kangqongqothe nesipho sengubo yamandebele umbhalo. Undaba ezitha uMakhosoke wesibili uthokoza intatanyiswa esikhonile ukufika kile ndomo ezulu emnyanya.
Tatele lithuba ngaphambili. Ngithokoze wonke umuntu ophumelela ukuba khona la namhlanje.
Abakhwezeli bomnyanya lo iPrince Menzi Mthetho Foundation bathi insiba zikagogo Esther Mnguni amateksana nebhola yebasketball eyahle kulamdlalo phambili nobasketball eAmerica uMichael Jordan kuhlele bona ziyemqalisweni oyifandisi eAmerica ngokhukulamungu umnyaka lo. Kingufilmon Skosana endabeni zeSABC eJohannesburg.
Umdlali weMamelodi Sundowns uGrant Kekana uthi banehuluphelo yokubuthelela amaphuzu aseleko nanyana sebamthumbile unongorana weDStv Premiership nje. Isiqhema lesi siyokubambana neCape Town City eLove Stars eFerrisfield Stadium kusasa ebusuku. Sanamhlanje indaba ziphelela lapha sihlanganeni kodwa kusasa kuDTT nisale kamnandi.